So this is how you can do automatic messages in Instagram. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to auto reply to people who ask, questions. Maybe it's about your business or whatever, but this is how you can auto reply. So once you're in your chats, you're gonna want to tap on the three dots at the top right and then tap on tools. And here you have many tools that can help you with your account. But the two special ones that we're going to want to take a look at is saved reply and frequently asked questions. Let's first tackle saved reply. In this part, you actually can make a shortcut. So for example, if I type 1, this message is going to send. So if I type 1, hello there is what is going to send. For example, I'm talking to someone, I type 1 and I send it, but hello there is going to replace that message. Now, if you want to automatically reply to someone, if they ask a question, you're going to want to tap on frequently asked questions. So, for example, if you keep getting questions like, are you still open, for some businesses, like some people would ask if they're open, and then this is the automated response. You're going to type something like, we are open until something like 10 p.m. So when you save that and someone asks you if you're still open, it's going to automatically reply, we are open until 10 p.m. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.